dudes? This is Sam from Sam the Bounty Hunter, and today we are going to be looking at another Disney's Pixar's Cars Diecast, and today we are going to be looking at the Piston Cup Semi-Cab in Deluxe. Has been released last year in 2021, and this is a Spearmint Semi-Cab from Cars 1, and his name is Xavier Roadault. So, let's get started. So, we're going to be looking at Xavier Roadault. So, could you just see Xavier Roadault? He is a Spearmint Semi-Cab, and could you just see on his 6 wheels that are already painted silver, and you just see on his back over here, it already has a Spearmint logo with a leaf and 2 wheels, and you just see on his sides and even on the other side, it has a number 93, and it has a Spearmint logo with the green leaves and 2 wheels on the green leaves. And could you just see, and on his cap over here, it already just said Spearmint, and it has a wheel with a leaf, a green leaf. And yeah, and actually, but there is one confusion about Xavier Roadault. I don't know if Xavier Roadault was seen in Cars 1 or Cars 3, but it doesn't matter anyways. And could you just see, and on the back it shows with no holes in it, cause he is only in a cab version of Xavier Roadault. And actually, I thought last year there will be a Spearmint cab, which is probably the Cars 1 Spearmint cab, but it is only the Spearmint cab, which looks like the one from Cars 3. And this is how it is. So, okay guys, so we are going to be checking on Xavier Roadault's color. So we're going to be looking at Xavier Roadault's color. So could you just see on the face over here, and even on the side and the middle side over here, on the side near the number 93 and a Spearmint logo, it already painted light blue, and including on the back also painted light blue. And you just see, and on this side over here, on in the end of the number 93 and a Spearmint logo, and even on the cap over here only of the cap, which is just said Spearmint, it already painted normal blue, and it looks like he'll be ready to become the member of Team Spearmint. So yeah, so there you have it guys. So here is the Cars 1 or Cars 3 Spearmint Semi-Cab, Xavier Roadault. And there he is. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe, stay in touch, and like this video. Rate comments below. See you guys next time. Bye.